Here's a PC tips you should know. If your Windows 11 apps are not opening, or if you have any kind of issues with the apps you're trying to open, you're trying to open camera or any other app and it's not letting you to open. We are going to fix it by only 4 simple and easy steps. So the very first step, here in the search icon, just type CMD. Make sure you run as administrator. Now here we need to type sfc/scan now. Then hit enter, and this will begin the system scan. And if there is any corruption or any kind of issues in the operating system, this is going to fix it. Okay, let's go to the next method. Go to settings and click on apps. Click installed apps. Here, whatever the app is not working, let's say camera not working. So you can simply click on that. Next to 3 dots, go to advanced options. Then scroll down and click on reset. You can also do a repair and then try to open it. See if that fixes your issue. If that doesn't work, try the next method. We need is to reset the Windows Store cache. So to do that, just do a right click and click on run and type WS reset. So this is to clear the cache. Now, once this is done, you can close it. See if that works for you. If not, you need to do this last step. There's one command which you need to run. On your search bar, type CMD and run as administrator. And type this command. This command will also repair and replace Windows operating system if there is any corruption or any missing files due to corruption. This will fix it all. Once this is done, you need to restart the computer and then try to open the apps again. Please let me know in the comment section if this video helps you. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks.